In Google Calendar, you can work around and add in more than one calendar for easier management. So over here, you can see that I have my personal calendar right here. But if you want to add in more calendar, then you can see that over here, there's other calendar as an option. Once you click on add other calendar, you can see that you have different options right here. So what you have to do is you have to click on create new calendar. Once you do that, you can see that you can select out the calendar right here. So I'm going to set it as TwitterTube, just like this. So once I do that, let's say this is my channel calendar right here. So this is my channel calendar. You can set around the time zone according to how you like it as well, and then click on create calendar. So once you do that, the calendar creation is in process, as you can see right here. So once that is completed, you can see your calendar right here. You can also go around onto the calendar and work around with different settings. Like you can go around and let's say, for example, if you want to auto accept invitation for this calendar, you can select that out and so forth right here. You can go around and add in notifications right here. So let's say for this calendar, I want the default notification to be 15 minutes prior to the event and so forth. And similarly, you can set around different settings for this one, as you can see. So once you go back right here, you can see the calendar right here. And for each and every calendar, you can actually check this to enable or disable the calendar as well. You can hide and show the calendar and so forth. Similarly, you'll have the control for this one as well. And that is how you can add a new calendar. And then what you can also do is you can change the color for this calendar. So I'm going to click on the option and change the color for the calendar to purple. And what happens is that the calendar color changes, as you can see. And that is how you can add in a new calendar inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.